Hi everyone, welcome to my what I got for Christmas haul 2025. I'm a bit late with my Christmas haul this year. I actually go back to work tomorrow, which is so tragic, and we just got rid of our Christmas tree. But I still wanted to film it because I love looking back on these videos. I just find them so fun. Obviously, the usual disclaimer, I'm very grateful for everything. I feel very lucky. I was very spoiled this year. But I just wanted to show you what I got for Christmas. I'm so nosy, so let me know if you got anything, what you got. So let's get started. I'll start with my stocking. I unfortunately do not have my stocking here because I wanted to show you it, but it's got Eeyore on it and it's pretty great. But I have put everything in this makeup bag, which I also got for Christmas. My mom actually didn't give me this on Christmas Day because she was like, oh, I don't know if you wanted it because you have so many makeup bags. But I'm like, are you joking? Red velvet with a bow on it. Of course I want it. The first thing I actually got was this little felt mouse. I get one of these every year and I absolutely love them. I want to have like a massive collection of them. So this was this year's. I got quite a lot of makeup in my stocking, which was really good because I hate buying makeup for myself. So I got this little Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette. I actually have one of the colors on today, this one. I absolutely love this. I love all these colors and I feel like I don't have a lot of pink eyeshadow, so very happy with that. I've been using this like every single day since I got it. I got this liquid eyeshadow. It's quite a dark color, and when I got it I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna suit that, but it's like perfect for like a kind of smoky eye, but it's not too intense. So I've been really enjoying using this. I also got an Estee Lauder mascara. Again, I was running out of my mascara, so it's like my mom knew. I also got an Estee Lauder lipstick. This is a red lipstick, so nice and so festive. I'm trying to go through this quickly because I do not want to bore you all, but I also got in my stocking a little wooden Christmas tree ornament. I got a mini Estee Lauder advanced night repair. I absolutely love this. I got an Avon heat protectant spray and a dry shampoo. Again, I really needed both of these. I got a Liz Earl cleanse and polish with the wee cloth that goes with it. I got an Avon face SPF. I got an Estee Lauder perfectly clean multi-action foam cleanser slash purifying mask, and also Liz Earl skin repair rich cream. I really like this stuff. My mum usually gets me Liz Earl stuff, and I had found recently that it was kind of making me break out, but I've been using this every day since Christmas and I feel like my skin feels great, and it's also started to get really cold here, so I feel like my skin's gonna get really dry, and when it gets dry it's like peeling off. So this is perfect for that. And then the last things that I got in my stocking were 5 of my favorite lip balms. There's only 4 here because I've already started using one, but these are my absolute favorite and I cannot go anywhere without these. This chair is wobbly and it's really annoying me. So that was everything in my stocking. My parents did so well, as you can tell. I'm really excited to finally be able to put all of my stuff away because I've been keeping it out in bags so that it was easier for me to show you. But now I'll go on to what my parents got me for Christmas. I actually have a few things through there. So the first thing that my parents got me were a pair of pajamas. They're just these pink Glinda pajamas from Wicked. I love Wicked, I love the show, I love the film, and I was very excited to get these pajamas. They are so comfortable. I also was saying earlier in a vlog that I don't really own many pink things, but I was wearing these last night and I thought, I feel like pink kind of suits me. These also came with a little eye mask that says Glindified, and I am very excited about these. I love them. Next, I got some bedding from my parents. My mum actually already washed it for me, which was great, so I don't have to do it myself. But it's this Bridgerton bedding, which is so fun. You guys know I feel like that I'm obsessed with Bridgerton. They're by a lady called Catherine Lansfield. So it's double-sided. We have this nice pattern on one side and then the kind of like classic Regency stripes that I feel like you see in Bridgerton on like all the wallpaper that I love. I'm gonna put this on my bed today. I have really been wanting new bedding and I'm so excited about this. Next, I got a bunch of different handmade things. My mum is really good at finding handmade stuff. So the first thing was this little ornament of a cat. This is obviously handmade. My mum actually went to a class that was done by this lady. I have no idea how she makes any of this, but this is what it looks like, and it's just gonna sit. I don't know, maybe I'll put it on the mantelpiece or something like that. But I love that. And then I also got this handmade hanging mistletoe, which is so fun. I'm gonna hang this. We've got a wee hook in front of our kitchen and I think I'm gonna hang this up on it. I love this. Next, they got me this, again, handmade little glass ornament of a black cat on top of a fishbowl. It's just like bones. Again, so pretty. These are gonna look so nice around the flat. This is obviously not handmade, but I also did get a Wicked Christmas tree bauble. which is fun. I'm gonna put this on my tree next year. We have another handmade thing. I am obsessed with this. It's so, so nice. It is the shell with this kind. Oh, hi, Bones. Are you coming to say hi? Look, Bones, it's you. Look. This is just a shell, and then I think it's kind of like paper mache maybe on the inside. I'm not sure if it's just got this like Christmassy lining inside. I just absolutely love this. I think it's so, so nice and unique. My parents also got me a notebook. This is really great because it's quite small. I feel like all of my notebooks are quite big. It says something in Spanish on it. I have no idea what this says. I'll have to Google translate it. I got a Galaxy selection box. I'm surprised I haven't eaten this. I've eaten all my other Christmas chocolate. And then I think the last thing that my parents got me was a box of sponges. This seems kind of random, but this is a very, very useful present. They are eco sponge scourers. Let's open them up. This is what they look like. I'm not gonna need to buy sponges for ages. This is great. Then from my sister, she got me this Snow Fairy milkshake shower gel. This smells so, so good. Then she also got me this embroidery kit that's got like pumpkins and stuff like that on it. So I'm very excited to use this. That'll be fun. Now I'm gonna go on to what Danny got me. He really outdid himself this year. He did a really good job. Also, my brother got me some chocolate, which I've already eaten, and then just some money. So firstly, Danny got me a pair of earrings. They are just these little silver hoops. I kept saying to him that I really wanted new like everyday earrings, and these are just perfect. These are exactly what I was looking for. He also got me a pair of slippers, which I'm actually wearing right now. They are from the White Company and they are so cozy. My old slippers had holes in them, and they were also Aristocat slippers, and as much as I love the Aristocats, I probably should be wearing something a little bit classier. So I was so excited to receive these, and they are just so, so cozy. I did spill a bit of my lunch on them. I hope that comes out. Next, I opened up this Rhode bag, which I was so excited about. Danny just listens so well, and he knew that I have wanted to try Rhode for ages, so he got me this little gift set. So inside it's got the glazing milk, which I've been using every single day since I got it, and I feel like my skin looks so glowy. It literally looks amazing. I really want to get more of their skincare stuff. And then it also comes with the Christmas peptide lip treatment. I feel like I've got really sensitive lips, so I wasn't sure how this was going to be, but I love this. This is just what it looks like. Obviously this was done in collab with a certain somebody who has since been cancelled, but that's okay. He did not know about it, and also it doesn't really like say her name or anything like that on it, so I don't really mind, but was very excited to receive this Rhode stuff. Next, he got me this Charlotte Tilbury magic cream. If you watched my what I got for Christmas last year, he actually got me this exact thing, and I used it all up really quickly because I absolutely love the Charlotte Tilbury magic cream. It's not like a daily wear because obviously it's quite expensive, but for special occasions I love using this, and it goes on so nicely underneath your makeup. The next thing Danny got me were a pair of socks. This was actually a really thoughtful present. He basically told me he looked through like the last 3 Vogue magazines and also went onto Vogue's website to see if there was anything that he could get me. Obviously most of the things in Vogue are very, very expensive, but he found this sock brand and he bought me a pair of them. These are so, so nice. They are just these gold sparkly socks. I've been saving these to show you before I wear them, but I'm very excited about these. They'll just add a bit of sparkle to any outfit, I feel like. The brand is called Samachi, which I haven't heard before, but I think I'll definitely be rebuying from them because these are very nice socks. The last thing that Danny got me was just such a thoughtful gift. Everyone on TikTok loved this when I posted about it. But basically, like a month or 2 ago, we went to a vintage shop in Glasgow and I spotted a pair of heels and they were so nice. I was obsessed with them. But they didn't have a price on them, and also one of the heels was broken, so I didn't buy them. And I kept mentioning them and saying that I really wanted them. But it had turned out that he had already gone back and bought me them, and he also got the heel fixed, which was just so, so cute. They are a pair of vintage heels. They are just insane. Like, look at these. I just absolutely love them. I feel so cool. Like, I feel like you see people on TikTok with their like vintage like heels and stuff like that, and that's me now with these. I just cannot believe he went and bought me these, and the fact like he went and got them fixed and stuff like that was just so, so nice. But that was everything that Danny got me. Obviously he did such a good job, and it's just nice to know that like he listens to me and he knows the things I like and stuff like that, and everything was just completely completely perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna go on to what Danny's family got me. So the first thing that Danny's parents got me were a pair of pajamas. They are just these black and white striped ones. I just love pajamas. You can never have enough pajamas. Next, his mum got me something from Charlotte Tilbury. I got this Pillow Talk Push Up and Define Iconic Eye Kit, and it just comes with a little eyeliner and a mascara. I've already tested out both of these and they are so nice. I've never tried any makeup before from Charlotte Tilbury, so I was very excited about this. I already have taken a lot of this stuff out of the packaging, as you can tell, but they also got me a nail polish kit. It came with this red nail polish and also a silver one, which I think I might have put in my bag. They got me a Revolution Smoky Icon gift set. It comes with an eyeshadow brush and an eyeshadow palette. I also could really use some new makeup brushes, so this is great. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. I'm almost done. Next, I got this candle. It's lime basil and mandarin. I got this little Cath Kidston tin. I love this tin. This is so, so nice. And it comes with a hand cream and a lip balm. This is them. I actually really need a new hand cream, so this is great. Then I think the last thing that Danny's parents got me was this bracelet. It's just this silver bracelet. I love this. I even think over like a sleeve, it looks really nice, really classy, and I was very pleased with that. I think that was everything that Danny's parents got me, but his younger brother got me some chocolate and also some protein powder. Then his older brother and his brother's girlfriend got me this lunch bag, which is gonna be great for work. I'm actually really excited to take this with me tomorrow. Inside, they had also put this bowl, which I love bows. The lunch bag also came with a water bottle, which I think I'm gonna put juice in maybe to have with my lunch. And then it also came with a lunch box, which I was actually really excited about because I've been looking for a lunch box for work because I just take like random tubs with me and sometimes they're kind of manky. And it also comes with cutlery at the top, which is just perfect. So I think that was everything that I got for Christmas. Obviously I got so many nice things and I'm just so grateful to everybody who got me stuff. And I just had such a lovely Christmas and festive period. I hope that you guys all did too. I'm so sad that it's over, but I can't wait for next year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that I got it up very late, but hopefully you were still interested in seeing everything, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and also Happy New Year. I forgot about that one too.